Welcome to Mikisa Farm, a green space for hope, healing and hands-on learning for vulnerable young people.
In the heart of our community lies hope. Mikisa Model Farm, a sanctuary where young people battling mental health challenges find healing, purpose and a fresh start.
We explore eco-friendly and innovative farming techniques. For example, we use recycled plastic water bottles to develop portable gardens. Teaching our girls and boys that even small and simple solutions can create big changes in our environment and communities.
At Mikisa Farm, we combine mental health, green skills, and vocational training to support youth rediscover their identity, rebuild their confidence, and reconnect with their futures. After mentorship, they choose a path. They receive free training that equips them to earn, grow, and live an independent life.
This project is about communities learning together, supporting each other, and building a greener, brighter future.
Lanange mveyo mamuongo wa SLUM ghetto. Wano ku Mikisa Farm njigiriza ebintu bingi kwa rahisi inakyemmanyi nga simanyi nti omuntu osobola okubaako kyokola mu space entono. Nebaza aba Mikisa Farm kubeera singa sibwera sanditize naye nti ize nsobola okitwala wansi mu ghetto.
Your support can transform lives. With funding, we can reach more youth, expand our training, and create a resilient future, one young person at a time. Join us. Let's grow hope together. Thank you so much for watching this video. We're